Ready, set, go. The need for speed. Hey there, speed freaks. It's your favorite tech guru Linus here to break down an epic battle Linux versus Windows, the ultimate speed showdown. We're talking about getting things done faster than you can say kernel panic. Let's face it, nobody enjoys staring at a spinning wheel of doom. We want our computers to be fast, responsive, and ready to tackle any task we throw at them. Whether you're a gamer, a coder, or just someone who values their precious time, speed matters. But how do these two operating system titans stack up when it comes to pure velocity? That's what we're here to uncover. Buckle up, Buttercup. Things are about to get interesting. Under the hood resource hog or lean machine? First up, let's peek under the hood and talk system resources. Like a finely tuned sports car, an efficient operating system uses its resources wisely, leaving more power for the things that matter. Windows, with its massive install base and legacy baggage, can sometimes feel like a gas-guzzling SUV. It tends to consume more RAM and CPU cycles, especially on older hardware. This resource hogging can lead to slowdowns and performance hiccups. Linux, on the other hand, is often praised for its lightweight and customizable nature. It's like a nimble sports bike, zipping through tasks with minimal overhead. You can even find Linux distributions specifically designed to run smoothly on older hardware. So, in the resource usage department, Linux takes the early lead with its lean and mean approach. But don't count Windows out just yet. It still packs a punch when it comes to raw power. Wake-up call. Boot times that matter. Next up, let's talk about those precious first few minutes of your computing day boot times. We've all been there, staring impatiently at the loading screen, coffee in hand, waiting for our computer to spring to life. This is where Linux often shines. Thanks to its streamlined design and efficient resource management, Linux distributions are known for their lightning-fast boot times. We're talking seconds, people. Imagine booting up your computer faster than you can say, system. Windows, while improving in recent iterations, can still lag behind in the boot time department. Factors like startup programs, background services, and hardware configurations can all contribute to a more leisurely wake-up call. So, if you're the kind of person who values every second, Linux might be your new best friend. But hey, if you enjoy a more leisurely start to your day, Windows won't disappoint. Launching into Action App Speed Face-Off. Now let's talk about the bread and butter of our computing experience application launch times. Whether it's firing up a browser, launching a game, or opening a productivity suite, we want our apps to open quickly and smoothly. In this arena, both Linux and Windows have their strengths and weaknesses. Windows, with its massive software ecosystem, benefits from developers optimizing applications specifically for the platform. This often translates to snappy app launch times and smooth performance. Linux, while boasting a growing software library, can sometimes see slightly slower application launch times, especially for resource-intensive applications. This is partly due to the smaller number of developers optimizing specifically for Linux and the overhead of compatibility layers like Wine. However, Linux claws back some ground with its generally snappier system performance, which can make applications feel more responsive overall, even if the initial launch takes a smidge longer. Feeling the heat performance under pressure. But what happens when we crank things up to 11? How do Linux and Windows handle themselves under heavy workloads? This is where things get really interesting. Windows, with its robust driver support and gaming legacy, often excels in scenarios requiring high-performance graphics and raw processing power. Think AAA gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. Windows is no stranger to pushing pixels and crunching numbers. Linux, while initially lagging behind in gaming performance, has made significant strides in recent years. Thanks to projects like Proton and the growing adoption of Vulkan, Linux gaming is experiencing a renaissance. Additionally, Linux's stability and efficient resource management make it a popular choice for servers and workstations handling heavy workloads. So in the performance under pressure category, it becomes a battle of specialized tools. Windows reigns supreme for gaming and resource-intensive applications, while Linux shines in server environments and stability-critical workloads. And the winner is, it's complicated. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate speed showdown between Linux and Windows. But who emerges victorious? Well, as with most things in life, it's complicated. Windows Pro's familiar interface, vast software library, excellent gaming performance. Cons can be resource-intensive, slower boot times, occasional stability issues. Linux Pros, fast and lightweight, highly customizable, excellent stability and security. Cons, steeper learning curve, smaller software library, though growing, potential compatibility issues. Ultimately, the faster operating system depends on your specific needs, preferences, and technical prowess. If you value familiarity, a vast software library, and top-notch gaming performance, Windows is a solid choice. But if you crave speed, customization, and a rock-solid system, Linux is ready to unleash its inner speed demon. The choice, my friends, is yours.